village. Point Banaue. If you want to buy souvenir, you can just visit the Banaue. You have a lot of here. Tayo na guys. Ito na po kami sa Banaue Rice Terraces. Very spectacular. This is one of the 8 wonders of the world. Banaue Rice Terraces. Pasok yan. Pasok to sa 8 wonders of the world.
The Banaue Rice Terraces are located in the Ifugao province of the Philippines. Specifically, they are situated in the Cordillera Central mountain range on the island of Luzon. The terraces can be found in the town of Banaue, which is part of the Ifugao region in northern Luzon. The Banaue Rice Terraces are ancient terraces carved into the mountains of Ifugao in the Philippines. They are considered a UNESCO World Heritage Site and are referred to as the 8th wonder of the world.
Banaue Rice Terraces here in Banaue, Philippines. Napakagandang tanawin sa Pilipinas. My first time to visit Banaue. Ang ganda guys. Hello kuya.
The Banaue Rice Terraces are believed to be over 2,000 years old and were built by the Ifugao people using primitive tools. These terraces showcase the ingenuity of the Ifugao in creating a sustainable farming system on steep mountain slopes. The Banaue Rice Terraces are not only a breathtaking sight, but also a testament to the rich cultural heritage and agricultural practices of the Filipino people.